Last Saturday, the community of Lakapa Malilua came together to pull off a spectacular village show day. An abundance of food stores and products on display, as well as fun activities for all members of the family to enjoy. Some more cultural sports included the Tasika head making race, basket weaving, and the annual Tasika Championship. Always a highlight for the village was taken out by Brendan Pasisi of Alofi. A fun pageant this time for male folk. The first ever Mr. Lakapa Malilua proved entertaining with 3 contestants, and the bout went to Mr. Sola Ikiwa. But it was the entertainment from the youth that kept the crowds as they performed items celebrating pride in Lakapa Malilua and all its wonders, and also the multicultural makeup of the village with some Cook Island and Samoan dancers rounded off with a village song. This year, Lakapa definitely outdid itself as people look forward to the next show day. Amnaki ge nonofo mo menini po ato lidi wa tutul ke vea ke he te wala tal tupu ke he afi atuloto. Nonofo mo menini po.